In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. First, open your GoHighLevel subaccount. Make sure you're in the correct location where you want to manage marketing activities, since each subaccount has its own contacts and assets. From the main navigation, head to the marketing section. Inside marketing, choose emails. This is your hub for everything related to email creation, sending, and performance. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new campaign and click Create Campaign. This starts a fresh email you can design, configure, and deliver to your audience. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to start. From a blank canvas, from GoHighLevel's email marketing templates, or from your own saved templates. If you want to save time, select Email Marketing Templates. These give you professionally structured layouts you can adapt to your brand and message. Browse the available options, find the one that fits your goal, whether it's a promotion, an announcement, or a newsletter, and select it. When you've made your choice, click Choose to open the editor. Now you're in the editing screen for your campaign. Customize the content with your branding. Update the logo, colors, and fonts to match your style. Replace placeholder text with clear, concise copy that highlights your offer and includes a strong call to action. Swap out images as needed, and add alt text so they display well for all recipients. Consider using personalization fields, like a first name, to make the message feel tailored. Keep paragraphs short, use descriptive link text, and ensure your email is scannable on both desktop and mobile. Most editors include a preview option. Use it to check how everything looks and confirm all links, buttons, and images work as intended. When everything looks good, head to the top right and choose whether to send now or schedule for later. Scheduling can improve results if you align delivery with your audience's time zone and typical open times. You'll then enter the sender email, add a compelling subject line, and select your recipient or audience list. Make sure the sender address is authenticated in your account for better deliverability, and write a subject that's clear, relevant, and free of spammy phrasing. Finally, click Review and send at the top right. Do a quick final check: content accuracy, working links, proper branding, and compliance elements like an unsubscribe link. When you're confident, confirm the send or finalize the schedule. That's it. Your GoHighLevel email campaign is ready to go.